Independence Day this year is very special for us. The 75th Independence Day, which our Honorable Prime Minister is also calling as Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. He has made the clarion call for all of the citizens to hoist the flag at homes, at offices, and coined it Har Ghar Tiranga. We as proud Indians should make this a great success. For us Indians, as the Prime Minister said, between now and 2047, when we will be 100 years young independent country, the Amrit Kal is going to bring in a lot of prosperity, development, self-sufficiency and determination. The vibrant India will be one of the leading economies in these 25 years now. Let's all jointly work together to make this dream of our Honorable Prime Minister and every citizen of this country a success. Our next generation should be proud Indian citizens and take up a developed country status global economy. Let's all join hands and make a determined Atmanirbhar Bharat in this Amrit Kal and be proud citizens of this country. Jai Hind.